Good day! In today's video about the Mercedes W116, I will show you how we're gonna replace the star, which very often is missing for being stolen. The kit comes with the star, a spring, the end, and something to hold it. Okay. As we can see here in the bonnet, the old part is actually sticking there. So I may use it as this part looks actually stronger. But anyway, we will have a look. Okay. As usual, I will place the part number on the video, so like that if you need to buy the kit, you will know which one to take. To remove the emblem support, you see there's that little plate here. We're gonna slide it towards the right and then we'll be able to take it off. I now have the part here with me, and as I've shown you before, we just slide this in order to remove it. Pretty easy. I would like to tell you as well that if you wish to participate to this channel, you can do so. If you look on the description of the video, there's a link where you can contribute to anything you want. Anything I will be very grateful, from €1 to anything you want, really. So like that, with this I will be able to buy new parts and continue making videos that will help a lot of people. Okay, so now let's continue with this. So now that we got the base, we need to remove all this. So in order to remove this, so I can show you, we'll have to take a very fine screwdriver, place it in, and then dislocate it. So we'll have to pull it out because it's, as you can see, it's pinned in a very small hole that's here. Okay, so we'll have to remove that from where it is and then turn it so like that you will be able to go into that groove. Okay, and then it'll come out and we'll be able to dismantle it. So I will do that right now. Okay, I've managed to put it, I'm not sure if you can see it, try to focus. No, it doesn't focus. Well, shame. But anyway, it's on a straight line. It should go, but it doesn't go. So what I'll do, I'll place a little bit of lubricating oil, and then after I'll give it a few knocks, and it should go in theory. Okay, and then let's replace it. I've managed to remove it, but now for some weird reason it looks like it opened a little bit, the hook here, because it won't come off from the spring. So if I really want to remove everything, obviously I will use a plier. I will squeeze it a little bit, and then what will happen, it will do like this. It will simply come out of the spring like so, and you will have the base that's free. But now when I compare the new kit and the old kit, I can see that those parts are basically the same, so it's good. The spring looks the same as well, but I think I would prefer to keep the old one. And now when I compare this to that, I can clearly see that the old one is much stronger, so I will keep definitely the old one. Okay, so in fact I won't remove all this from the base because there's no point really. So now in order to mount it, you'll take the star, you'll take the hook, okay, like so. Once you've got it like that, you'll place it in the base, okay, and you will have your hook that will come out on the other end. Okay, so you'll place the spring on top, and now will come the difficult part, is that you will have to make sure this goes on this. So you will have to align this obviously with the slits. Okay, now there's several ways to do that. If you got a very fine but very strong string, you can place it there, place it inside here, put everything on top, and then try to lift it up if it goes through. If it doesn't go through, then it's a problem. So then I will mount everything together. I will place then a lot of pressure, push it down. So maybe you can use as well, if you got like a small socket. So inside the socket, you've usually got a hole, and then you use it to press it down, and then that should come out. And then after that, with a plier or something like that, you will turn it. That won't be something easy to do, but you'll have to do it one way or another. I suggest that you lubricate as well. That will be more than useful. And once it's done, then let's place it back on the car. That's it, the star is now fitted. It hasn't been very easy, but what I've done, what has worked for me, I've used the vise, I've left it slightly open, I've fitted this in, and make sure it's protected, of course, the chrome, and then with a plier I've held that tube and I press it down so that this can come out. Once it came out a little bit, I've used that very fine screwdriver that I had, and I managed to pull it out, and then eventually I placed it on its place. Okay, so what I've got left to do now is to place it, fit that security below, and that will be done. That's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to get advised of new video that will come out. Okay, until then, take care of yourself. Ciao.